All right, and there's a follow-up question by Bill Boston here. And he asks about the transformation and the group's assets, because he mentions Lamborghini, Bugatti, Ducati, but also Porsche, and how they are positioning themselves and what future outlook those brands have, he would like to know. The answer is that I think we have seen a good allocation of brands within our group, because our decision was to take Bugatti to Porsche and then into a minority shareholding together with an e-car producer, a very competent one, mind you. And we believe that Bugatti, the Bugatti brand, will get an environment that is actually stronger than being here in Wolfsburg in the volume segment. We have more synergies over there, carbon fiber bodies, high-performance batteries, so it's in better hands over there. And it's also our decision to pool our premium portfolio at Audi, together with Hildegard Wortmann and Markus Duesmann. We have a lot of premium experience in that brand and great passion and commitment. Markus Duesmann is a passionate motorbike driver and also a sports car driver. So all that means that Audi really is a competence center now for our premium and niche segment, Lamborghini, Bentley, which is very important, and Ducati in that as well. Audi is just reorganizing itself to ensure lean management of those brands, leveraging all the synergies for our group, which is banking on platforms going forward. As you have heard in our earlier statements, we believe this is a good allocation of responsibilities. I think the brands we have are very valuable. Lamborghini has developed really well over the past years. We're talking about double-digit profitability rates, younger customers than Ferrari has, and a better product portfolio, we believe, than Ferrari is developing really well. In terms of Bentley, the brand has recovered financially, and thanks to the synergies with Audi and Bentley and the new platforms, Artemis and SSP, will allow us to pool synergies in such a way that Bentley will be bouncing back to double figures of profitability. And that's very important for Bentley in the premium segment. But we are upbeat about it. We believe this is the right structure for our group.